Hi friends, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and delicious Mangalorean pork delicacy, Pork Bafat, right in your pressure cooker. I've taken 1 kg of pork and I've added 4 tablespoons of Rovenas Bafat Masala powder. Experience the authentic taste of Mangalorean cuisine with my own Bafat masala, crafted without preservatives or any kind of artificial colors, made with a blend of premium spices. I just added 2 tablespoons of vinegar and also I'll add some salt to taste. Let the pork marinate with the flavorful Bafat masala, vinegar and the salt. You can let it sit for 30 minutes for those flavors to really infuse, or if you are in a hurry like me, you can do it immediately. Now into the cooker goes our marinated pork followed by all the chopped ingredients. Remember, this is a quick method to prepare pork bafat. Now I am adding 4 onions cubed. I have cubed them slightly bigger in size, followed by 1 pod garlic, 6 to 7 green chilies and 1 inch ginger. Also I'll add few bay leaves, cloves and cinnamon. This is optional as the Bafat masala already has garam masala. I had soaked some tamarind. Now I will squeeze it and add 2 tablespoons of tamarind water. Once again, give a good mix. There is no need to add any water. Close the lid and let the magic happen right here. Let's wait for the pressure to build and that whistle to blow. While we are waiting for the whistle, I just can't explain you the aroma that is filled in my kitchen. This recipe is perfect for those days when you have guests coming over and you want to impress them with minimal efforts. Check the description box for complete recipe and all the details about cooking in a pressure cooker. In a pressure cooker, the cooking process involves steam being trapped inside. As a result, the dish tends to retain more moisture and become watery. On the contrary, cooking in an open vessel, the moisture evaporates freely, leading to a dry dish. There it is, 1 whistle and we are ready to roll. Let's release the pressure and see what we have got. If you feel the dish is watery, just reheat it and the water gets evaporated. Quick and delicious Mangalorean pork bafat with Rovena masala is ready to serve. Enjoy it with sannas and buckwheat. I hope you all loved watching these videos. Write to me in the comment section and share this recipe with your friends and relatives. Until we meet next time, happy cooking.